Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using outdated alarm clocks that lack the smart features you need to start your day right? Consider the charging electronic clock Charge Snooze alarm from OOAYDYWO, a game-changing device that combines innovative technology with a sleek design. This alarm clock boasts a metallic lacquer finish, giving it a premium feel that is both firm and beautiful, with aluminium hands that are smooth and delicate to the touch, not easy to scratch. The thick, clear markings on the clock face are easy to read, even from a distance, without any blurring, making it perfect for everyday use. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its ease of use and smart features, making it a well-reviewed and popular choice among alarm clock users. One of the key benefits of this clock is its smart tech feature, which allows for easy setup and operation, with a gentle alarm sound that gradually increases in volume to wake you up smoothly. The LED lights on the clock provide a clear and soft glow, making it easy to see the time in the dark, and the matte lacquer finish gives it a sophisticated look that complements any bedroom decor. In real-life use, this alarm clock has proven to be more reliable and efficient than others, with its Charge Snooze feature allowing you to quickly silence the alarm and go back to sleep without having to get out of bed. Overall, the charging electronic clock Charge Snooze alarm from OOAYDYWO is a great choice for anyone looking for a modern and practical alarm clock that is easy to use and provides all the features you need to start your day on the right foot, so why not give it a try and experience the difference for yourself. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.